Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can scroll hands-free on TikTok. So let's go to settings. Okay, here in settings, go to accessibility. Here you will see voice control, go there. And here you will see customize commands, go there. Now you have to create a new command. Okay, type next. Okay, on action, tap on it and tap on run custom gesture, and here slide up, save it. Now go back and in application tap on it and select TikTok. Go back, save it. Let's go back. Okay, let's check. Okay, attention aware is enabled. Now enable the voice control. Now let's go to TikTok. Okay, so we are in TikTok now. Let's say next. 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 Okay, and likewise you can scroll hands-free on TikTok. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.